Hey guys, welcome back to D-Wood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk to you about this tape measure that I use all the time in my shop. It is called the Fast Cap tape measure, and this is the Imperial one. They also make one that is metric. If you like reviews and content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything but helps me out a lot. What I love about this tape measure is that it has all the numbers, as you can see here, showing from down to a 16th to a 15/16, half, and all those in between. It's very accurate and is easy to read, especially at a quick glance when you're not the best with imperial measurement or fractions. I literally have probably 5 or 6 of these around my shop where I do woodworking, and I don't know if I could function without them. These are the best tape measures I've ever had, and I always have new ones on hand ready to go. If you like these kind of tape measures like I do, click in the link down in the description and get you a couple.